on. Okay, that was my mistake. Okay. All right. So let's try to tackle this piece here. We don't have a lot of time. 7:23. We probably have enough. We're on number Nun Zion in the on page Kuf Gimel. Okay, so it starts like this. Od yesh kavana v'hi arucha yoser. Just between you and me, I don't know, as we watch this go on, is that how the Rav knows to tell us that I can make up all different kinds of combinations of letters and possibly words, but he's specifically doing this. See, what's the purpose of it? To bring up man kedei the kabbalah the shefa v'lamala lamat. So you need man. You have to go from the bottom in order to get to shefa from the top to come back to the mat for what is needed. So mibedrega al yonah the bedrega tachtana shalamata begam. So that's the idea. Aval kavanas yud ches brachol shel tfilas amida he kavana acheres ma'am. It's a different kind of kavana. So the Gavana for the 13 brachos is a different part, a different idea. Is to elevate the whole idea of tefillah is to elevate malchus. And then you have to grow her up from the bottom to the top. Until she reaches a place where she's fit for zivug. You know, Rabbi, I think I'm in the wrong place. Am I in the wrong place? I'm in the wrong place. No, I am in the right place. Okay, I'm sorry. It's a very long piece. Okay, number Samach Aleph. So now we'll talk about this kavanah. They have one basic kavanah. So he says, Tevos Baruch is a magic word. Ramez al Yesod refers to Yesod b'fnei Yesod hu mevurach b'shefa. It's overwhelmed with brachos of shefa. Yesod and berumet b'Tevos Baruch. So this is the Yesod, which is we say in the Baruch is what the birchas of anahanim b'mitzvos. It's actually a specific Yesod. It's the Yesod Elyon the Abba. So at the very highest level. Shezecha b'Yesod the Abba nikra Shvil. So it is a name called Shvil, but the kaven. B'Tevos Baruch lahamshek shefa the Yesod the Abba. So you're going to bring the shefa from the Yesod of Abba. V'achasha shefa nimshach the Yesod the Abba. The kaven lahaver as the Yesod the Abba ima Yesod the Ima. So that's the coupling that you need. The lahamshek as the shefa the Yesod the Abba, the Yesod the Ima. Now he says the Yesod shall Ima nikra Nesiv. So it has its own name. So we have these words around. So he says v'chasei husha shefa megil the Shvil. The shefa reaches down to the Yesod of Abba. Shuhu Yesod the Abba v'achar kach nimshach of shefa min hashvil ela Nesiv. So you have two different words that it means paths of some sort. Shuhu Yesod the Ima. V'nimsa shu Yesod the Abba shuhu hashvil nikra Baruch. So that was called Baruch. And he said Yesod the Ima shehin Nesiv and nikra Bracha. So she's called Bracha, but it's the same word and he told us previously. But Tevos Baruch, he shove a bigamatra the Tevos Bracha ima koilel. If you add the koilel in there, 228. So he said v'od yesh lahosiv ki Tevos Baruch. That word Baruch, ola bigamatra rakach 228. And he said v'Tevos Bracha he in a koilel ola al reish kaf rakach. So he said b'kasher tosif al misbar rakach. So let's talk with that number 228. You take another arba osio sheyesh b'Tevos Baruch ya'alu yachtav misbar Ralav. So Ralav is an operant, and what does it mean? B'shem havaya yesh arba mini miluyim shehem b'gematria av sag ma'u ben. Now what was the first place? He said b'shem havaya. Okay, just says b'shem havaya. V'chein arba shemos elu yachdav olim b'gematria Ralav. So if you add them up together, they come to 232. Shuhu misbar Baruch, which is the same word as the word Baruch, if you also include the 4 letters of the word Baruch. So that's the lightest way in which the Rav has a way of combining things to make them match. And there's some secret inside of that. I don't know how he saw that. Okay, going on. V'kol arba b'shemus av sag ma'u ben. What happens with them? Neim shachem ala Shvil elyon. So they come down from way up above, and they come into the the upper path. Yesod the Abba v'nikra baruch. Baruch. So when you say this word, it's like a magic word. Yeshnav shnei kavanos. It has two different kavanos. Ha'achas hi al Yesod the Abba. One refers to the Yesod of Abba. Shu ha'shvil ha'elyon the nikra baruch. V'asheni si sheniknasa b'Yesod the Abba arba shemos av sag ma'u ben. So we see the other is this, that you have all these names piling in there, all these letters. Shehem b'gematria Ralav. So if you add them up, they come to Ralav. Shehem kamizbar baruch im arba osiyosav. Once again, it's baruch with the letters which form baruch. So look, I'm looking for the attachment there. Gam tekaven betevis baruch. So you look at the word baruch. Shemilas bracha im akoilu ki begematria baruch. V'hi memrames shegam anuk. So also it goes over to the nuk mekabelas as a shefek amuradocher. Now let me see where we're at right now. I think we have one more to do, and then maybe we'll stop at that point. So the Kavin, so we'll understand the Gavan is like this. Gam hi begematria Ralav, that the Nukva and Zer Anpin are matched in their gematrias. But the Kavin ki gam ima hanikras bracha, mekabelas hashefa shal bracha, shehi begematria Ralav ima koil. So we're going to stop here, and we'll be up at the, we'll just go to Ayin Zayin. I'm choser in marking my things so I get to the right place. So today is 6/16/22. Okay, got that.